582 West Doerr Path, Hernando, Florida, Terra Vista. Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it out to see this property today. This is a lovely maintenance-free villa in the gated community of Terra Vista. I'm going to walk you through, show you some of the highlights, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the community. So first you have your formal living room and dining room area. Notice the decorative tray ceiling and very spacious, nice bank of windows on the living room area. The formal dining room has a pocket door that connects to the kitchen. We'll go in there next. Plenty of room for a large dining table, so you're all set for the holidays. And you'll notice as you see through the windows that we are on the golf course. So you have some great rolling golf course views. You can watch the golf carts go by. If you're a golfer yourself, you have a lot of opportunity to get out there on the course and just enjoy this golf community. So beautiful open concept kitchen, Corian countertops, undermount sink, gas stove with 5 burners, excuse me. We've got the built-in oven, we've got the built-in microwave, stainless steel refrigerator. We have a pantry over here. Notice the decorator shelves and nooks throughout. Beautiful design with a corner fireplace and this nice area for your TV and anything else, whether you want to have bookshelves, things like that. So really done well. We've got a corner sitting area here in the family room. We have a breakfast nook area, and then of course plenty of bar space. Now as we walk through, you'll notice the big lanai. We'll go out there probably last, but that lanai is absolutely beautiful, very large and spacious. This is the master bedroom. Gorgeous views of the golf course through this bank of windows. A nice transom window so you have plenty of room for whatever size bed. You have a French door leading out to the lanai. And notice we have nice hardwood floors in the bedrooms. So you're not dealing with carpet. All very easy maintenance flooring. Nice large closet with lots of shelving. Beautifully tiled bathroom. Double sink vanity. A jacuzzi tub. Water closet. And of course, the walk-in shower. And notice the glass block window. It lets in a lot of beautiful light, but keeps privacy there for the bathroom and the tub. Again, we have a nice tray ceiling in the master bedroom. So let's head down the hallway and we'll go take a look at the guest bedrooms. We have 2 additional guest bedrooms. We'll go past the laundry room, which will lead us out to the garage. This is the full guest bath tub shower combo here. Again, with the same Corian countertops. Very good space. And then right here we have the 2 guest bedrooms, both generously sized bedrooms, nice closets. One thing I always like to point out, we do have double pane windows, and these are tilt windows, so they are easy to clean. Another bedroom. And one thing to note about this house is you can purchase this house fully furnished. So if you want something turnkey, you're looking for an opportunity to establish a Florida residence as a snowbird just for vacations, you can do that here. So the furnishings can stay with the home. We've got the air handler in the garage that's mounted up high, so it's not taking up garage space. Full 2-car garage here. Extra little bump out nook, room for a nice chest freezer or whatever you need to store there. Notice the laundry room has additional cabinets as well. And now we'll head on out to the lanai and take a look at this beautiful golf course view. One of the things I love is they built this house with the outdoor kitchen. So you would add your own grill, but what you have is a nice wet bar set up there. And look at that beautiful view. We've got awesome tall ceilings out here, lots of screening to overlook the golf course. You've got a mini fridge, you have a sink, and you've got storage there in the outdoor kitchen. So we've got a French door and 2 sets of sliders to come out here, and beautiful pavered Lanai. So really great setup. It's a crisp, cool winter day here in Florida, so I wish you could feel this, but the air streaming through the screens, it is just gorgeous. So I'm going to take you back inside now. And are you familiar with Terra Vista? So Terra Vista is a gated resort style community. It's a community that really caters to people moving up from South Florida, down from the north, you know, really coming from everywhere, but for that next phase of their life. We have everything in Terra Vista, from the state-of-the-art fitness centers, the pools, community pools, lap pool, full spa facilities, dog parks, walking trails. The list just goes on and on and on. Tennis courts, golf courses, clubs galore. Pretty much anything you can think of or imagine is available here in this community. Very easy access to get to the drugstores or to the 2 great hospitals we have. We've got doctors all around. So you're pretty much covered here. And what's beautiful about this is A, you've got the security of a gated community, and B, you are in this very peaceful rural setting without losing the amenities that you get in bigger cities and more developed areas. So it's peaceful, it's quiet here. You can really live the Florida lifestyle. We're close to the coast, all of the water activities, nature activities. It's a great place. So if you'd like more information, I'm your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-476-3303.